Hello and welcome to another Thinkstack tutorial. In this video, let's learn how to integrate Zapier with Thinkstack. To do that, first select the chatbot and then go to integration section, and here make sure you select Zapier. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can collect the leads which are collected from the Thinkstack chatbot in the Google Sheets via Zapier. So to do that, make sure that you have enabled the leads. You can just enable it from the settings. Make sure this is enabled, and these are the fields in my leads. So make sure that you have a Google Sheet ready with the respective columns that you have used here. So here I have used name, email and phone. So I have used the same fields as columns, right? Once you have that ready, go to integrations and select this workflow. Click on use this workflow. You will see a Zap setup. Here you just have to make certain selections. As you can see, the app will be Thinkstack. We will be collecting the leads from our chatbot. The trigger event will be the new lead, so this will get into action whenever a new lead is collected. So make sure you select your Thinkstack account from here. So I'll just click on connect a new account, and here I have to add the API key to make the connection. So I'll just add my API key by navigating to settings and scroll down and copy the API key. Then come here and paste it. Once you add it, you will be seeing your Thinkstack account in that list, and make sure that you select that. Alright, this is the account and I have selected that. Now click on continue, and in the configure select the chatbot. So I will select TS support because that's the chatbot that I want to connect. If you are not seeing the chatbot in this list, make sure that you have enabled the leads from the settings. If you don't enable the settings, you will not see the chatbot here, right? Alright, next click on continue, and we'll just test the trigger. Alright, testing is done. Now it's time to configure the action. So I'll be sending the leads collected from the bot to my Google Sheets. So make sure you make those selections, and action event will be create spreadsheet row. This is already populated. You just have to select your Google account. I'll just select mine. Once you do your Google account selection, click on continue, and in the configure section select the spreadsheet. I have already created a spreadsheet for collecting the data, so I'll just select that. Select the worksheet. So sheet 1 is the worksheet where I want to send the data. So yeah, as you can see, once you select the sheet, you can see the columns that you have created in that particular Google Sheet. For the name, I will just map name. I want name data to be sent to that column. For the email column, I will send the email lead, and for the phone column, I would like to map phone. I have properly mapped these fields so that whenever a user fills out these fields in the chatbot, that will be saved in my Google Sheet on those respective columns, right? Click on continue. So this step will do a dummy test. As you can see, XYZ values will be sent to the Google Sheet. So let's do the test. Alright, the test is done. Let's check the Google Sheet if it is. Yep, as you can see, these are the values that were sent from the Zap. So I'll just hit on publish to make this Zap go live. So let's test it out. To do that, let's go to the preview section and let's see. I'll send a hi, and the leads form will be populated here. Let's fill the lead form. Alright, I have filled the leads. My lead is collected here, but let's see if it is collected in my Google Sheet. Yep, as you can see, the fields that I just filled in my chatbot is visible here. So yeah, once you make this chatbot go live in your website, you can collect those leads and get in touch with them later. This is just the tip of the iceberg. You can create multiple such workflows and make use of the Zapier integration to boost the productivity. Thanks for watching.